Hi. So today is Sunday and it's time to cut their nails. Oh my God, Marie. Wait a second. How could I cut your sister nails if you keep me? Please, wait sa. Wait sa, kadali lang. Huwag sa! This, oh. So we don't need to go. Wait sa, wait. Ay! Tabang nun. Wait. Almost, mommy. Oh. Almost. So, when we go to salon, to groomer, kadali lang, makuha sa. Maluoy ka. Wait sa, kadali lang! Ay! No go out. Ay, Diyos ko! So, sorry for the background, ha? Kay, I'm cleaning my sunroom. Come on! So, Marie, she let me cut. Come on, Marie, come here. Marie, she let me cut her nails. Come on.